Hey, and welcome back to Tyre Review, and today we're actually going to talk about what maintenance you need to do to your tyres. And I've got Leeson here, who is our tyre and wheel guru. And Leeson, what should I be doing to my tyres every week or month or what?
Yeah, look, what you should be doing at least once a month would be checking pressures.
Okay.
That's one of the most important things you should do. First of all, I mean, to maintain tyre life, it's really important for that. But also just as important to ensure that the tyre is doing the right thing.
Okay, so we'll check it. We'll do how to check your tyre pressures in another video, but what sort of signs of wear should we be looking for?
Okay, looking for shoulder wear, okay, also uneven wear, just any overall signs of damage on the sidewall or on the tread, basically any of the part of the tyre that you can visually see. Extremely important just to ensure the safety of you, your family and other motorists on the road.
Cool. So an interesting one I had a number of years back was I felt the car going bump, bump, bump as the tyre went around, and I couldn't really tell where it was, but I took it into the shop and they actually noticed that there was a bubble in the tyre. And so that's something that I would have picked up had I have actually run my hand over it, but I could also feel it in the car as well. So is that sort of something to pay attention to as well?
Absolutely. Yeah, you might get your hands dirty, but it's definitely worth it. Give the tyre a good feel over and just look for any obvious signs of damage.
And I don't want to be pointing out the obvious, but why should we be checking our tyres?
Well, look, we're putting our family in the car, aren't we? So, yes. I mean, it's pretty important for yourself, for your family, and as I say, other motorists on the road.
That's right. You don't want to be having a tyre go and pop on you or whatever.
No.
So, cool. Yeah. Thank you, Leeson.
Welcome.